guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Axipure. I'll clear up all your doubts, but before I'll start telling you the whole truth, whether it works or not, I have two really important alerts. First of all, guys, this product it's only sold in the official website, so you should be really careful of the website that you're buying it because you can buy something that is not original. And to help you with that, I'll leave the link of the official website down below in the description of this video, okay? So, does Axipure really works? And yes, guys, the supplement already has thousands of consumers who have tested and approved it and say that their life has completely changed. And rest assured, because the Axipure has been tested in amazing laboratories and its super formula is totally 100% natural, so it has no side effects. Now guys, back to the super supplement. It helps you burn storm-born belly fat quickly without requiring a special diet or exercise. It targets the actual cause of obesity and uses its natural ingredients to fix them. Axipure is a perfect blend of 8 natural exotic nutrients. It is highly effective and increases levels of brown adipose tissue in your body. The brown adipose tissue level of your body is directly responsible for weight loss. Brown fat is a specific type of that accumulates in humans. Scientists have established that brown fat is more common in lean people, while obese people do not. This evidence suggests that brown fat can help create special treatments for obesity, such as turning typical white fat into brown fat and losing a substantial amount of calories. Axipure also keeps your heart and arteries in optimum condition, helps your immune system, and makes you lose calories 300 times faster. As a result, the body starts maintaining a healthy weight, and it continues even when you stop using the supplement. Besides, to make it work, you have to take the treatment every day for you to get all the benefits. The best results are from 3 months, but from the first month you already see the difference. I really think it would be better if you follow every month that the Axipure offer, which is for 6 months. Now imagine your whole different life in just 6 months. Guys, something really nice for you to know about this product is that you can actually test Axipure for 180 days, and if you don't like it for any reason or if you don't see results, you'll have your money back without any bureaucracy. So that's it. I just wanted to record this video to answer all of your questions and to help you to know more about this treatment that is amazing and excellent for your body. I really hope Axipure changes your life in a very different way.